Guys, in this video, I will show you how you can fix Roblox security threat detected on your phone. So the most common issue is this app here, Magic. You just need to completely delete it from your phone and then look if the problem persists. If the problem persists, also make sure that you download Roblox from official website, not third-party ones. You just need to go to roblox.com. And on roblox.com, you need to log into your account, and then you just need to press on experience and download the game. If you're on PC, if you're on phone, you just need to use Google Play or App Store and download it from there. And also, if you use a rooted Android device, you need to unroot it and then disable developer options in order to basically Roblox, you should not be getting any sort of security threat detected thing when your basically phone is unrooted. Right, so there is plenty of videos showing you step by step how you can unroot your phone. So just Google it out, unrooted your phone, and then disable developer basically option that, and yeah, it should work for you. So that's pretty much it.